Make sure the dryer is disconnected from the wall outlet. To remove the top panel, you will need to remove the two top panel holding screws located here. After removing the screws, remove the top panel. If there is a green ground wire attached to the panel, remove it. Remove the screws that holds the control panel in place. Push and bend the control panel backward a little bit like this. Grab the belt and start peeling it towards the back of the drum until the belt comes off the drum completely. Remove the two front panel holding screws and remove the front panel. Lean it against the dryer. Make sure it doesn't fall or it could break the door safety switch. You could use a piece of coat hanger wire bent like this to secure the front panel so it won't fall down. Spread the sides of the cabinet a little bit so the drum comes out easily. Pick up the drum and remove it. Now you have access to the motor, idler pulley, gas valve, igniter, flame sensor, etc. Let me show you how to put the dryer together. See this hook on the motor bracket? Pull the idle pulley and hook the tip on the motor bracket hook like this. Make sure that the Teflon bearing is on the drum bearing shaft. Place the belt around the drum and place the drum inside of the dryer. Make sure that the shaft and Teflon bearing are inserted in the back part of the drum bearing. Make sure the belt is in place. Get in front of the dryer and insert your hands under the drum. Use long sleeve jacket or shirt so you don't scratch yourself. Place the belt with the ridges pointing up on top of the idle pulley wheel and under the motor pulley. Release the idle pulley from the hook by pushing it with your thumb. Remember that you're going to do this by feeling and not by seeing. Get your hands off from under the dryer. Turn the drum for a couple revolutions. If the belt stays on, you did the job right. If the belt falls off, you will have to reinstall the belt. Straighten the cabinet sides. And make sure you don't pinch any wires when you install the front panel. Secure the front panel with the holding screws. Install the top panel. And the holding screws. And that's how you put the dryer back together.